Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. How to set or change your password. For security reasons, you must change your password every 20 days, approximately 1 month, one off month, one time must be changed. Okay, just click here, my profile, then click here to security. After that, first type here your old password. Okay, this is my old password. Then type here new password. Okay, then type here new password. Okay, I am pasting here new password. Pasting here new password. Then click here to change password. Okay, as you will see here, password updated successfully. Your password have changed. In this way you can update your password to secure your account. You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. solmaxglobal.link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team. We welcome new people to join our professional team. Same link is here. Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Types of income. Daily profits on ROI, return on investment, 1 to 2% for 200 days. Direct bonus 10%, binary bonus 10%, and matching bonus. You must level and say both sides, left and right side. Then you will get 50% of only referral bonus. Level 1 20%, level 1 direct bonus 10% and binary bonus 20%. Level 2 15%. Level 2 means referrals of the referrals commission. Okay, you can refer someone and you register using your referral link, and after that if further advertise is referral link and refer other, then is referral link anyone use, register and invest, then level 2 commission, level 2 is get 20% on the first level and you will get level 2 15% referrals of the referrals commission in this way. And level 2 of this person referrals, if invested, then you will get 10%. If this person referrals will invest it, then you will get 5% bonus. In this way it will become 50% referral bonus. It's a good opportunity of this company. You also earn with more earn with your referrals. If you build up your own team and start earning, then you will earn more with your team. In this way, referrals of the commission. Okay, you can join with my team using following links for further company details and queries. If you have any confusions about online investments or any discussions, further queries, and you can also join our team using these WhatsApp groups. These WhatsApp groups you will find into the description of this video. Okay, if you have any confusions or queries about investments, then contact me following contact number and addresses. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp groups, Telegram ID, Skype, and so on. You can follow us and for further queries using following links. Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook page. Join and for further queries. Facebook profile, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and VK profile. This is my username for all social networks. Mprogs Tech, Mohammed Programmers Technology, Mprogs Tech. Join and for further queries or discussions. You can learn, then you can earn. First, you must first learn. Okay, learning is important, mandatory for earning. Some people are trying to earn without learning, then they will lose their money and they will not succeed, because they start without learning. Okay, learning is mandatory and learning is important. You can learn, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced investment tutorials. You must keep in your mind, you can learn first, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced online investments tutorials. This is my YouTube channel name, Mohammed Programmers Technology. This is my YouTube channel link. This link you will find into the description of this video. All links you will find. My blogger website. We will be waiting for feedbacks, comments and suggestions to improve our services. Best of luck.